Hello everyone. Welcome to GK class for class 9th. This is your book of general knowledge for class 9th. Today we are going to do page number 32, the names Bond. Students, today we will discuss about the famous Indian author Ruskin Bond. Ruskin Bond. Ruskin Bond is an Indian author of British descent. His family home is at Landour near Missouri. Most of his writing is influenced by his life in the hill stations at the foothills of the Himalayas. This is where he spent most of his childhood. Now we will discuss about his birth, family and his place. Ruskin Bond was born on 19th May 1934 in a military hospital in Himachal Pradesh. His parents were Edith Clark and Aubrey Bond. His father was with the Royal Air Force. His early childhood was spent in Shimla and Jamnagar. At the age of 10, he went to live with his grandmother in Dehradun after his father's sudden demise due to malaria. His first book, The Room on the Roof, which he wrote at the age of 17. It was a semi-autobiographical story with Rusty being the protagonist. It was based on his friends and the time he spent in a rented room when he was in Dehradun. It won the John Llewellyn Rhys Prize awarded to a British Commonwealth writer under 30. Now we will discuss some books written by Ruskin Bond. The Blue Umbrella. It was written by Ruskin Bond. It was a story about a young girl named Binya who lived in a village of Himachal Pradesh who had a beautiful blue umbrella which was popular among the villages. Next book is The Adventures of Rusty. The Adventures of Rusty brings together his best, funniest, most exciting escapades. In these pages, there's Toto, the monkey that traveled in a bag in a train, an encounter with leopard, life as a young writer in a faraway London, and the return home to roots that were always loved and never forgotten. Next book is The Night Train at Deoli. In this story, Ruskin Bond narrates his experience during one of his train journeys to Dehra as an 18 years old. He tells us that he used to spend his vacation every summer in his grandmother's place in Dehra and had to pass some lonely station, Deoli, amidst the jungle on the way. This station appears strange to him as no one got on or off the train there and nothing seemed to happen there. Next book written by Ruskin Bond was Our Trees Still Grow in Dehra. It is a collection of short stories by Ruskin Bond with each story tracing his life from childhood to adulthood. The writer's journey begins from Java and reaches India with cities like Bombay, Delhi and finally cradling in the Himalayas. Semi-autobiographical in nature, there is interaction with the author's family, friends and various people who influenced him. Next book is Delhi is Not Far. The story of Delhi is Not Far by Ruskin Bond revolves around two men who share a bond of uncompromising friendship and companionship in the small town of Pipalnagar, northern India. Now some facts about Ruskin Bond. Bond used the advance money from his first book, The Room on the Roof, to pay the fare to come back to India. He won several literary prizes in school such as Irving Divinity Prize and Halle Literature Prize. Movies such as Junoon, Saath Khoon Maaf, and Blue Umbrella have all been made based on Bond stories. Thank you.